In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Webflow to WordPress. Whether you're looking to integrate the dynamic design capabilities of Webflow with the robust content management system of WordPress, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. First, let's head over to webflow.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard, which is where you can manage all your projects and site settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled All Sites. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the sites you've created or are working on within Webflow. Next, look over to the left side of your screen. You should see a menu with several options. Click on Apps. This section is where you'll find various integrations and tools that you can connect to your Webflow projects. It's a fantastic way to expand the functionality of your Webflow site by integrating with other platforms and tools. Now that you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type in WordPress. This will filter the available apps and bring up any options related to WordPress integration. Here, you're looking for an app called WP to Webflow. Once you find it, click on it. This app is specifically designed to facilitate the connection between your Webflow site and your WordPress installation, making it easier to manage content across both platforms. After clicking on WP to Webflow, you'll see an option to install on site. Go ahead and click this button. This action will initiate the installation process, which will guide you through connecting your Webflow site to your WordPress account. It might prompt you to enter some credentials or API keys depending on the specifics of your setup, so have those ready if needed. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have successfully connected Webflow to WordPress, allowing for seamless integration between the two platforms. This setup is particularly useful for those who want to leverage Webflow's design flexibility while maintaining the powerful blogging and content management features of WordPress. Remember, each platform has its strengths, and combining them allows you to make the most of both worlds. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to double check your credentials and configuration settings and consult the Webflow and WordPress documentation for further guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on how to enhance your web development skills.